Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today's recipe is Karnataka Special Akki Rotti. It is also known as rice roti. This is a very easy and tasty staple breakfast of South India. It turns out to be very soft and tasty. So let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 2 cups of rice flour, 1 chopped onions, 1 cup of grated carrots, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 cup of dill leaves, green chilies, cumin seeds, salt, and mix it nicely. Then I'm adding boiling hot water. See to it the water is really hot. Add the water little by little and keep mixing it with a spatula. Then knead the dough with the hands into a very soft dough. Kneading the dough rightly is the main technique here. So knead the dough into a really soft one. And then you can close it with a damp cloth and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Apply generous amount of oil on the butter paper. Take the ball of the roti dough and then start tapping it with your fingers. Keep applying water on the fingers and keep dabbing it until you get a nice roti. The other technique is to tap the dough with your fingers, place another butter paper on it and then roll it with a rolling pin. Later, spray some oil on the frying pan and fry these rotis on both the sides by applying some oil. Once the rotis are nicely fried on both the sides, here is super soft and tasty akki roti ready to serve. Serve this roti with khara chutney or any chutney of your choice and you will definitely fall in love with this recipe. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.